Hello, my dear students. Welcome once again to our online class. In our previous class, we have started the chapter Heat, and in that class, we have already discussed about hot and cold, and also discussed about temperature and the temperature measuring device, that is thermometer. In measuring thermometer, we also discuss about the clinical thermometer, a thermometer that measures our body temperature. Now in this class, we are going to discuss about reading a thermometer. Before going to start reading a thermometer, let us discuss about precautions to be observed while reading a clinical thermometer. Thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. So, before use the thermometer and after using the thermometer, the thermometer should be washed thoroughly with antiseptic solution. Number 2, ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. So, as you know, the clinical thermometer, the reading of the range of the clinical thermometer is from 35 degree to Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. So, before use, the mercury level should below 35 degree Celsius. Number 3, read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Number 4, handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can be break. As you know, the thermometer is made of glass, so handle the thermometer very carefully. Number 5, don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading. So, while reading, don't touch the bulb of the thermometer. So, now come to the next topic, that is reading a thermometer. Let us now learn how to read a thermometer. First, note the temperature difference indicated between the two bigger marks. H, note down the number of division between these two marks. Suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree, there are 5 divisions between them, then one small division read as 1 by 5, that means 0.2 degrees Celsius. First, wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. The jerks will bring the level of mercury down. Ensure that it falls below 35 degrees Celsius. Now, place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. After a minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is your body temperature. The temperature should be always be stated within its unit, that is degree Celsius. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degree Celsius. So, to measure the body temperature, first पहले तुम लोगों को वो थर्मोमीटर, एक क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर लेना है, देन उसको एक एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन में अच्छे से साफ करना है, देन उसमें यूज़ करने से पहले उसको बहुत अच्छे से गिव इट ए फ्यू जर्क्स, दैट मीन्स बहुत अच्छे से उसको हिलाना है, जैसे कि मर्क्यूरी लेवल उसका बिलो 15 डिग्री बिलो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो जाएगा. देन वो बल्ब द थर्मामीटर यूज अपने टोंग के नीचे रखना है और 1 मिनट तक इसको ऐसे ही होल्ड करके रखना है. देन आफ्टर 1 मिनट वो थर्मोमीटर को टोंग के नीचे से निकाल के वो रीडिंग मार्क करना है और वो रीडिंग जो आएगा वो तुम्हारा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होगा. और नॉर्मली the normal temperature of human body is 37 degree Celsius. So, Paheli measured her body temperature. She got worried as it was not exactly 37 degree Celsius. So, the normal temperature of human being is 37 degree Celsius. So, is the body temperature of every person is 37 degree Celsius? The temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. It could be slight higher or slightly lower. So, do not confuse. Actually, we all call the normal temperature is an average body temperature of all a large number of healthy person. So, human body temperature जो कि है 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. So, अगर हम हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेजर करेंगे वो जो कि है 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस से थोड़ा कम या थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया तो हम उसमें वरी होने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस हम बोल रहे हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल एक्चुअली एवरेज बॉडी टेम्परेचर होता है। मतलब जो कि नॉर्मल हेल्दी पर्सन का एवरेज ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। तो उसमें से कुछ लोगों का थोड़ा कम हो सकता है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो भी सकता है। द क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर इज डिजाइन टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी ओनली. The temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 or above 42 degrees Celsius. That is why the reason that the thermometer has a range of 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. So, here one important question arises, that is the range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. What is the reason behind it? The reason is the temperature of human body normally that does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. That is the reason the range of clinical thermometer is between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Here one important notice for you. Do not use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than human body. Also avoid keeping the thermometer in sun or near the flame. It may breaks. Now come to the next topic, that is laboratory thermometer. As we have already discussed that the thermometer are two types. One is clinical thermometer and another one is laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body, and laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of other objects in the laboratory. The range of a laboratory thermometer is generally from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. So, this is a laboratory thermometer. Read, the range of laboratory thermometer is from -10 to 110 degree Celsius. Okay. Let us discuss activity 4.4. Take some tap water in a beaker or a mug. Dip the thermometer in water so that the bulb is immersed in water but does not touch the bottom or side of the container. Hold the thermometer vertically. Observe the movement of mercury in the thermometer. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady. Note the reading. This is the temperature of water at that time. Compare the temperature of water recorded by each student in the class. So, you can see the variation in the reading. So, what is the reason the variation occur in the reading? Let us try to answer this question by discussing activity 4.5. So, activity 4.5, take some hot water in a beaker or a mug, dip the thermometer in water, wait till the mercury thread becomes steady and note the temperature. Now take out the thermometer from water, observe carefully what happens now. Do you notice that as soon as you take the thermometer out of the water level, the level of mercury begins to fall. This means that temperature must be read while the thermometer is in water. So you may recall that while taking your own temperature, you have to take the thermometer out of the mouth to note the reading. Can you then use the laboratory thermometer to measure your body temperature? Obviously, it is not convenient to use the laboratory thermometer for this purpose. So, इन एक्टिविटी 4.5 हम एक बीकर में कुछ हॉट वाटर लिए हैं और वो थर्मोमीटर लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर को हम उसके अंदर डालेंगे और वेट करेंगे मर्क्यूरी का थ्रेड जब तक स्टडी हो जाता है। देन उसका जो कि है टेम्परेचर कितना है वो जब पानी के अंदर होता है उस टाइम में हम उसको मेज़र करेंगे, और जब वो थर्मोमीटर को पानी के बीकर से निकाल देंगे तो तुम लोग देखोगे सडनली जो कि थर्मोमीटर का रीडिंग जो कि है थोड़ा सा घट जाएगा, मतलब थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा। तो जब हम क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर यूज़ करते हैं तो हम जब टेम्परेचर मेजर करते हैं तो माउथ से निकाल के उसको हम देखते हैं कि उसका रीडिंग कितना हुआ है। लेकिन यहाँ पर जो कि है हम लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर में देखे हैं कि जब हम निकाल दिए हैं उसको पानी के अंदर से तो उसका रीडिंग जो कि है थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है। तो ये रीज़न क्या है, क्या हम ये लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर को यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर मेजरिंग आवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर? नो, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. So why does the mercury not fall or rise in clinical thermometer when taken out of the mouth? So observe a clinical thermometer again. You may see a kink near the bulb. What is the use of this kink? It prevents the mercury level falling on its own. So the most important reason that the difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer, that kink is present in clinical thermometer and kink is absent in laboratory thermometer. So what is the function of kink? It prevents the mercury level falling on its own. As you see in clinical thermometer, a kink, a bend is present, but in laboratory thermometer no kink is present. So this is the difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. This is an important question, difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. And जो one point is that is kink is present in clinical thermometer but kink is absent in laboratory thermometer. You can also write the point that the range of clinical thermometer is 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius and the range of laboratory thermometer is -10 to 110 degree Celsius. Another point that is clinical thermometer that is used to measure human body temperature and laboratory thermometer that is used to measure the temperature of other object in laboratory. There is a lot of concern over the use of mercury in thermometers. Mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose of it if the thermometer breaks. These days, digital thermometers are available which do not use mercury.